Good morning, everybody. My name is Realtor Rene. I'm a listing agent here in Ocala, and today I want to provide some value for you. I know that you're probably selling a house or trying to sell a house, so I want to provide some tips as far as how to sell your house as a for sale by owner, or if you recently were expired, things that you can do to really attract buyers. I'm going to have 10 tips. It's going to be 10 different videos. So this video is going to be on tip 1. Your first thing is really putting it up on the MLS, and anybody can do that. You can search on Google and get that going. It'll provide a lot of awareness based on your home, the features and benefits of the home, and ideally why you love the home. That's the most important thing to describe to your buyers, because they need to understand how close the bus stop is, how close the school system is, how close the laundry store is for your dry cleaning, or just things that are convenient that you love about the actual home, whether that be family related, work related, professional related, what have you. So I really encourage you to take really good pictures. Think of when kids are viewing a phone, they're young kids. I have young kids, and I ask themselves why they can't read, so what are they looking for? And it's the thumbnail, which is the front picture of your page. Understand that in this marketplace, there's going to be a lot more homes that come onto the market, so it's important to make sure that your initial photo is very nice and neat. In addition to that, make sure that the description tells the story. You have to describe the home through words and really sell it through words. So those are kind of some tips that I can provide for you. And if you're thinking about selling or buying, please give me a call. Direct line is going to be 352-872-7222. Have a great day.